When you think of luxury, what comes to mind? A mansion? A sports car? A private island? But what if I told you? One of the world's most expensive yachts harbors a dark secret. A secret that could unravel the lives of everyone aboard. Welcome to Hidden Riches, where we uncover the stories that hide behind the glitter and gold. Today, we dive deep into the $500 million yacht that no one dares to talk about, because its secrets could destroy everything. Part 1. The Luxury Ship. The Aqua Lux Yacht that costs more than most people's entire life savings. With 7 decks, a swimming pool, helicopter landing pad, and a full-sized spa, it's the epitome of luxury. Yet, the first time it was launched, no one knew its owner. The Aqua Lux was built under the radar, a floating mansion for the world's wealthiest elite. Rumors swirled around the yacht's true owner, but official documents kept the name hidden. The questions began to surface. Who truly owns the Aqua Lux? And why does the world's most expensive yacht have such a dark reputation? Part 2. The Secret Owner. The yacht was rumored to be the private vessel of a reclusive oil magnate known only by the code name the Titan. A man so powerful, so secretive, that no one knew where he came from or what he did to earn his billions. But there was one thing that was certain. No one ever stayed on the Aqua Lux for more than a few days. Crew members came and went in complete secrecy, often at night. Multiple disappearances from the yacht's crew and passengers went unreported. One former stewardess claimed, "When you board that yacht, you leave your past behind." And she was right. For every guest who stayed, a part of them vanished without a trace. Part 3. The Dark Secret 40610. The rumors, however, didn't stop there. Inside the Aqua Lux is a hidden vault sealed off from even the most trusted crew members. But after years of investigation, the truth began to surface. Hidden within that vault were confidential documents, rare jewels, and most disturbingly, encrypted files that linked the yacht to a string of global black market deals. Some experts claim the yacht was used to transport the world's most dangerous secrets. One investigator said, it wasn't just a yacht. It was a floating hub for illegal business. Part 4. The Curse of the Aqua Lux. It's been said that those who have dared to uncover the yacht's dark secrets have suffered the worst consequences. One journalist who attempted to expose the Aqua Lux's ties to the world's most dangerous networks mysteriously disappeared on the yacht. After his disappearance, the yacht vanished from public sight for over 2 years. When it resurfaced, its owner was never seen again. The yacht now sits abandoned in a private port, its dark past haunting anyone who dares to approach.
The Aqua Lux is a reminder of what true power can conceal. A floating fortress that hides the wealth of its owner, but also the souls of those who dared to uncover its secrets. Would you step aboard this yacht, knowing what lies beneath its decks? This is Hidden Riches. Subscribe now, and next time, we'll explore the Billionaire's underground city where the world's richest go to vanish.